It's not about how long you've been together. It's about how much you love each other. And I love you more than I've ever loved anyone.
He is sensible and so incredible, and all my single friends are jealous.